firstly, let's talk development football. We're future stars and leaders of the game connects. Whether a player, a coach, or a club owner, we are coming to you to talk all things development football. Esilana Sensini, Mercedes-Benz Sensini, Michone, Utlolane, Messi, Kwababazi Kangcono. Messi, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
As a Shiro, my bro, siyabonga for platform. Guys,
Yeah,
mina
but-
ngutebo Kotlolani, but like the platform or around the polling bangas Messi. And yeah, I'm with my brother, licensed in, as he said, Mercedes-Benz. It's been a nice night, but so deviator from Imoto,
Sikhulume ngebhola.
schooling a polling tesitanda.
Messi, ijeni yakho iqala kuphi na uthiyami?
Yo guys, ikala from the time my mom had decided because then to learn, I think it's more
Uzalwe
than
nayo.
Uzalwe nayo, bafethu. It's
Mfana
more
kithi.
than just a
Talent,
career.
yeah,
It's more
yeah,
than a talent.
yeah,
It's a lifestyle, you know.
Mfethu.
So angifuni we mention it as an age, as a time. It's just a lifestyle, and a lifestyle comes with it day to day. Like i-World Cup,
Uyayiphila le nto.
ngivuka ngicabanga yona, ngilala ngicabanga yona. I-World Cup, i-indoor soccer, i-football, i-career. So guys, it's my life. So yeah, so it's not about Tebogo is this and this and that. Tebogo Tlolani is football.
Umdlalo webhola.
Umdlalo.
Tebogo, mfethu, what motivation can you give intwana esekasi that is looking up to you, efuna ukuthi ifike kule level yakho? Ziningi intwana ezikuthandayo emakasi sho, efuna ukuthi zifike kule level okuyona wena. What motivation can you give those boys?
All I can say, Machita, Ekasi, any platform, even if uthanda mina, uthanda uMiguel, uthanda uGrant Kikana,
Umfundo kade sinabo bonke.
Babela.
Yeah.
is that gents, focus on yourself. Isikhathi sakho. Ungawari ukuthi uTebogo
Or the next person unjani.
yeah, ngathi yena uphumelela kuqala. When I just focus on yourself, work hard, sacrifice, and just be true to yourself. Focus on your craft. Even if it takes more time than me, but just know ukuthi talent lakho, indlela yakho, intando yakho, akusintando kaNkulunkulu. But if yonke into yakho uyinika kuNkulunkulu based on into oyenzayo, ukusebenza kakhulu, stay humble and be the person that you are. I'm telling you guys, you can never go wrong. So just work hard, Bafetu, and focus. Main important thing is focus and to give the best. You know, one thing that I learned about football, there's no failure, there's learning.
Yeah.
We are funda every day.
Yeah.
There's no time because ngaba mention amabhayi. Teko Modise, I think made it debut yakhe in 25.
At the age of 25 years.
Phil Shabalala went to take age of 33.
Yeah.
So it tells you ukuthi isikhathi sakho. Don't ever put yourself under pressure. Work hard, enjoy what you do. Have fun. Inhliziyo yakho mayivuka ukuthi udlala ibhola. And isikhumbuze ukuthi noma sowufikile lapho, remind yourself ukuthi why uqalile. And change i-life yemndeni. Ungabakhohlwa
La usuka khona.
la usuka khona, la bawa nawe. Ungabakhohlwa, ungachange umuntu ubuye ngosowufikile. So guys, I'm just that guy that always says, work hard, stay humble, don't forget where you come from, and have fun. Malento lemnandi. Pass ibhola mabruani. Kumnandi kakhulu.
Sawushilo uthiyami. Tebogo, siyabuka manje bafana World Cup. They are doing very well with the average age ka 22 years. Most yabo balapho. So how can you rate development football as South Africa? By looking at the squad esinaso World Cup, under 20, they went to World Cup, they won AFCON. Under 17, they always qualify for World Cup and AFCON. How can you rate our development as South Africa?
Because of the stats, it looks like we're doing good, which
Yeah.
it is.
Yeah.
But there's always room for improvement.
True.
Why I say that is that when you look at the place Funugwagul, all of those Mbappe win World Cup under 18.
Yeah.
You know?
We have never reached that level.
We've never reached that level. So when are we going to reach that level? But it's also saying, Uguti, we still have time to improve and we need to learn from where we are, where we can improve, where we can do better, and we keep growing from there. But so far, it's good to hear that the under 20s are doing well, the under 17s always qualify, and Ibafana guys, you know what? Mola Lipsugo, you sleep with the pure heart, what Bafana is doing for the whole nation, the whole continent, the country. City Bafana, even Kusasa must be supporter against the Canada. We're proud with it. For the
These are
first
our
time,
boys.
these are our boys.
Yeah.
Me now, right now, I feel like me Bafana player
We are
because
all
of what
parts
they
of-
do.
yeah,
We're all
yeah.
part of it. So it seems that our football is changing. Bafana is changing. Our football is changing, and we can only do better. You know what? There's always room for improvement, and I feel like we can get better. But with our superstars, we have Reles and them at 21, Mbogazi at 20 playing in the MLS. There's still Abupuso Tejani that are
There's
still
still
gonna come.
Abomfundo, there's still
Abomfundo,
Abomdu.
Abomdu that are here. So it shows us that we're still gonna reach that level, but we can still get there because we still have Abu Emil that are coming.
Yeah, Vitboy.
So,
yeah,
guys,
yeah,
you know
yeah.
what? Our football is in safe hands, but we still need to take care of our football. We still need to know that even the older guys, the likes of Mikael, the Grand
Yeah,
Kakanas, they're
yeah,
important in
yeah.
our game. The Tebzas, the Tembazwanas, the Tempinkosi Lodges are going to help the young boys to see that you can still make it and even go further. That's what we want. As soon as we need to just keep climbing the ladder. So I feel like so far so good to have these boys, even in the national setup, playing so well. So we can only do better, my brother.
Thank you very much. We are Let's Talk Development Football. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on TikTok, Sise, Sentin, Motors, Mercedes Benz, Sentin, Eslungwini. Dank.